Kerala. Kerala is a beautiful state. Nature is all mesmerizing and it catches one's attention. Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali dance forms are very famous. Temples play a vital role in Kerala. People from all over the world come here, offer prayers, and believe in the divinity here. God here is powerful though. Due to unexpected floods, the entire Kerala is washed away. Lot of families, houses, people, animals and pets, all of them are drowned and washed away in water. They're absolutely clueless as to what to do. Lives of people here has been horrifying. Though there is water in every corner, people are striving for even a glass of water. There is no power at home, there is no roof for certain houses, no place to stay. It is unhygienic too. They don't have clothes to wear, no quilt, though it's so cold out there. No proper medicines, people are striving for their day-to-day living. The Creator, God amidst this tragedy, is in all silence. People are crying and making the ends meet. Most of them are offering help to the flood victims. Famous actors, politicians, people with genuine heart, they have lent their support to all. They haven't bothered about money and lent their support wholeheartedly. We thank them sincerely for their generosity. They have done a big source of help in this cruel world. It takes a big heart to genuinely help someone needy. Rita, Big Boss contestant Aditi Rai, director Ravi Ratnam Karmala, his family and his team headed to Kerala to help and support all. Food, clothing, medicines, day-to-day things is what they have distributed to the flood victims. wish Aditi Rai wins in the Big Boss this season. She has a kind heart which will definitely take her a long way.